if you're not already subscribed over on the vlog channel, I'm doing daily vlogging. You heard that correctly. Daily vlogging until Christmas. Vlogmas, when you're watching this, is in full swing. So I wanted to put together a gift guide that really spanned the gamut of different budgets. The holidays are stressful, let alone buying presents that people are actually going to like. Let's be honest, do we really want to gift another jar of hot chocolate powder that just gets forgotten in someone's pantry? No, we can do better than that. And if you're wondering if this is essentially just like 50 gifts that like I personally would love to receive, slash like already honestly own a lot of these, hence why I'm recommending them, then you are absolutely correct. Friends and family, if you're watching this, wouldn't be mad to receive any and all or duplicates of any of the items on this gift guide. Okay, so put your phone down, pay attention, potentially get a snack, because this is gonna be kind of like rapid fire gift guide because we got 50 things to go through. I also will link every single one of these 50 items in the description box. Starting with the under $25 category, the Aurora Star Lamp Projector. I've never gotten more messages about any of my Instagram stories than this projector. This cereal bowl candle, are you kidding? I don't know if I could even burn this, but I mean, if I don't wake up and this toast night lamp is not under my tree, I will be buying it for myself. Super cute, upside down bear mugs. Every time I see these, it's a need. Another candle, this is obviously a sneaker. I feel like candles are great and easy gifts that everyone enjoys. Axolotl Squishmallow. Would this be a gift guide if there wasn't a Squishmallow or 2 or 3 or 4 in this video? I don't think I realized that I even had 2 of them. Gift your loved ones a Squishmallow today. Typically, I don't gravitate towards gifting ornaments, but I feel like for whatever reason, disco balls are so popular this year, and these little mini disco ball ornaments are so cute. Atomic Habits is one of my top recommendations for books. I think everyone can get something from this read. Claw clips are the new bobby pins. I feel like where you need lots of them and they're always missing, and these gold ones I think are just like even a little more elevated than like the plastic acrylic-y ones. Another colorful projection lamp. This is another one that every time I post on Instagram, I get so many questions about. It is an absolute vibe. This balloon dog sculpture, the vibes are very mature when you have a sculpture, and why not make it a balloon dog? If you're not gifting a Squishmallow, this knot pillow is just like a really unique take on gifting any kind of pillow that I think is just like a little more fun. For your friends that love to drink, these iridescent flute glasses for champagne are so cute. Not entirely sure they match the vibe of my kitchen and Jeremy's style, but so cool nonetheless. Watercolor brush pens are so cool, and I missed out on these as a child because I feel like they weren't a thing, but they are now, and I think they make a great gift. Okay, this one, this jewelry holder display hand is arguably a tiny bit creepy, but I will admit it would be a really convenient way to like store your rings and bracelets and like maybe drape a necklace. A little bit creepy, but also kind of cool, question mark. Beaded phone wrist straps, an absolute must. I trust my phone like a little too much on this thing, but I will say sturdy and a necessity. Ooh, these hanging crystal sun catchers are so pretty. If you don't want to put up one of those like circle ones, these are so cute, and when the light reflects, the like sparkle iridescent glitters it puts on the wall are really, really pretty. Silk pillowcases. This was the year of switching to silk pillowcases for the sake of our skin and our hair. Kind of basic bitch because everyone uses it because it's such a good product, is the Laneige Sleep Lip Mask. A few videos ago, I showed you guys these cat eye retro glasses. Still the best $15 that I've ever spent, and I recommend these to everyone. Moving into the under $50 category, I've got 15 gift ideas. The first being this crescent moon lamp. I found this through That's Heart. She manages to find the cutest things on Amazon, hands down. Again with the disco balls. I don't know what's going on. I'm here for it. This 2-pack of heart-shaped disco balls that hang, I need them. Also, I don't know what this was. Disco balls or boobs, you can decide. You guys know that I am absolutely here for like the acrylic iridescent. This mirror is so cute if you want to go like the room decor route for gifting, or if we're feeling more on the apparel side, this oversized fleece fuzzy sweater. I have this in 3 colors, which I don't really need them in 3 3 colors, but like you do need it in 3 colors. The more fuzzy things you own, it's actually proven make you a happier individual, and this is a really cute 3-piece set that is essential to survive either a cold climate from winter or a cold climate because your boyfriend loves to blast the AC. Tell me why disposable cameras have gotten so expensive. I think this is truly an incredible gift for all year round. The ultimate sneaker book for all of your sneakerheads in your life. Truly a good book, or just even like a good coffee table book. Excellent gift idea. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump seems to be sold out everywhere because it is one of my favorite new makeup finds of the year. But if you can find it, excellent gift. Catan was 100% my most played game of the year. I taught all my friends and family how to play it after I learned how to play. If you want World War III with your loved ones, this is the gift for you. These coasters are so classy, and I also just learned how to pronounce agate. I've been saying it agate until just now, and I watched a YouTube video teaching me how to pronounce it. So Merry Christmas to me. Another classy gift idea for the adults of age is this mixology or like bartender starter cocktail kit that's got everything you need to get started. The bitches with hair problems know that Olaplex No. 3 repair mask is the only mask that matters for your hair. She's a little pricey, especially for like a small amount, but I think that's why it makes such a great gift. We know about the weighted blanket. This one is 15 pounds, but this is the first Sherpa fuzzy weighted blanket that I've seen before. I feel like normally they're like nylon-y and not super soft, and this is just weighted blanket but elevated. I didn't realize you could make boba at home, so I think this might have to be a Vlogmas project, but regardless, this kit has everything you need. I am heartbroken that I don't think my dogs would fit in this flower dog bed, but also if you click this link, there's a whole bunch of other options, like I think a pizza, a strawberry, a pie, a frog. Why have a plain dog bed when you could have a flower dog bed? Also, this is like this would be like a gift for me, but like mostly a gift for the dogs, but also a gift for me. Moving up to the next price bracket, these are gifts under $100, between like 50 and 100. 10 recommendations. So the first one is this acrylic iridescent side table. I love this thing. I fully just copied Zach and Maggie, who had it first. It's in my office and I am obsessed. I hope you're getting all like the angles of the colors. For the loved one who's in their reading era, like myself, a Kindle tablet is game changing. These are the UGG O Fluffita, like strap sandals slash slippers. I have these in pink. I want to give you a warning that they kind of have like a chunky platform on them, so like the possibility of rolling your ankle is a little present, but worth it. I literally have a new SodaStream currently in the mail, coming to me in the mail soon, and I'm so excited. This is the SodaStream Terra, which I also have owned, and it's like shockingly affordable, and usually there's coupons. Barefoot Dreams Anything is always an incredible product, and so next level soft. One time Moose did take a massive poop on the floor of a Barefoot Dreams store, but that doesn't take away from the fact that their blankets are incredible. Can't mix the best and cutest little photo printers that I always think make such a cute techie gift. This one is the IV2. You also can do like little collages and stickers. Welcome to 2022, where we have literal self-cleaning water bottles. This is the Lark bottle, which is expensive, but it cleans itself. It literally cleans itself. Big drunk elephant fan, and this is a cute little set that's got 4 different products to try. Love a holiday skincare set. This floating cloud light pendant is so cute. Flashback to like 4 years ago when I made one of these. This one, is better. Movie projectors, incredible. I feel like all of my friends have them, and it makes movie night so much better. And our last category, items that are over $100 if you are trying to drop some coin on your loved ones this year. By no means does it mean that like the more money you spend equals better gift. I truly am not a believer in that whatsoever, but these are some bigger gift ideas if you do have the budget for it. First up, an Ancestry DNA ethnicity testing kit. These are so interesting. I did one not too long ago and mine came back wildly accurate. Theragun Mini, also just bought this. I had a knockoff for a really long time, and gonna be honest, this one is better, and it's like the perfect cute little size, about this big. The Dyson Airwrap is so wildly expensive, and I have friends who have the Drybar version of the round brush blow dryer who swear by it, and I love all these little minis. The Drybar dry shampoo called Detox is my go-to dry shampoo. So this is a cute little like all-in-one fun hair and like blowout set. For the Remy's, the Miss Remy Ashton, the Miss Cooking with Remy's in your life, this is a almost 5-foot lettuce grow stand. I've seen hers and it is flourishing. It is so incredible, and I love that for her that she eats vegetables. I personally don't really, so this gift is not for me, but I love that for her, and also like the green thumbs and healthy eaters in your life. Okay, this is the GE Opal Nugget Ice Maker, and Jeremy just got one of these for us, and this is like one of those things where it's like, it's a nice to have. Do you need a nugget ice maker? Absolutely the f not. Do I love nugget ice, and is nugget ice superior than a cube of ice? Yes, and I did not know that you could buy a nugget ice maker. Are they ridiculously overpriced? And I truly don't know why. Yes. But if you need a nugget ice maker, here's the link. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for your holiday shopping. Let me know in the comments what you are asking Santa for, or Mrs. Claus for, or else for Christmas. Again, make sure to go check out the vlog channel because Vlogmas is in full swing. 4 to 5-ish days of daily vlogging up until Christmas, with potentially 1 or 2 days off for mental breakdowns throughout Vlogmas. I will have all the links for everything that you've seen in this video in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.